welcome to all of you into the grammar session, and today we are going to discuss the subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement. Now, have you heard this word before, subject-verb agreement?
No.
Have you heard the word verb agreement? Verb agreement.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
I didn't.
Agreement.
Verb friendship हो गया या verb agreement. Have you heard this word?
No, ma'am.
Verb friendship I heard.
Yes, verb friendship. So what do you mean by verb friendship? What do you mean by verb friendship? बस सुनना है. देखो, see. Verb friendship means whenever there is a friendship, whenever there is a friendship between the two verbs, whenever there is a right friendship between the two verbs, then your sentence is correct. That we already discussed. If there is a right friendship between the two verbs, sentence is correct. आज का जो टॉपिक है, today's topic is subject verb friendship. It means there must be a friendship between the subject and the verb. There must be a friendship between the subject and the verb. And if the friendship is right, your sentence is right. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there are the rules. Subject-verb agreement is based on two basic rules. So, what is the first rule? Very important rule. First rule क्या कहता है? If the subject is singular, verb should be singular. I repeat, if the subject is singular, verb should be singular. And what is the second rule? Second rule says if the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. I repeat, if the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. Okay. What does it mean? What does it mean? Singular verb, plural verb? What do you mean by?
When there is only one person in the subject.
Yes. Singular subject means singular subject means single.
When two or more than two are the same.
So then we are going to discuss. So what are the singular subjects? I, he, she, it, any name, single name, any anything, any place that must be singular. एक होना चाहिए. So that becomes a singular subjects. Basically singular subjects में हमारे क्या आ गए? He, she, it.
Okay.
And what are the plural subjects? You, we, they.
You, we, they, them.
और एक से ज्यादा जैसे doctors, students, teachers, butterflies, tables, phones, bulbs. These are all the plural subjects. So singular subjects के साथ we have to use the singular verb. So what do you mean by singular? So what are the singular or the plural verb? So singular verbs होता है, my dear students. These are the singular verbs. Is, am. लिखो इसके you can write also. Singular verb means the verb that ends with letter S. I repeat, singular verb means the verbs that ends with letter S. Okay, if you will accept am, all the verbs ends with letter S. And what are the plural verbs? These are all the plural verbs. Are, were, और जो भी हमारा present form one होता है, whatever the present form one, that are all the plural verbs.
Okay.
Like for example, अच्छा मुझे बताओ, has or have, which one is singular verb? Has or have?
Has
is the singular. Is or am?
Am singular.
Am. And what about is?
Is also
Is
singular.
is also singular. Is also singular. S से end हो रहा है. Was or were? Was or were?
Plural.
What is
Was
the singular? Was is singular.
And the were is plural.
Do or does? Do or does?
Do is singular.
No.
No, do is plural and does is singular.
Does is singular. Rubina, I told you ना ये जो letter S से end होता है, that is singular.
Okay.
That is singular. So does is singular. Does is singular. Do is plural.
Yes.
Right or rights?
Rights.
Rights is singular.
Rights is singular.
Jump or jumps?
Jumps.
Jumps is singular. Okay.
Yes.
So the singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject, plural verb.
Plural.
Okay. Oh, it is going to be stuck out.
We understand this.
Yeah. Okay. Now, these are the sentences. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
He writes a poem. He writes a poem.
this
So what
is
is the
singular.
singular subject?
Yes,
Singular, ma'am.
And what is plural, singular verb?
writes
Writes.
and a
Writes.
poem.
Writes.
He,
Right.
he.
So singular verb is writes. So this
Writes.
friendship
Yes.
is right. So this sentence is right.
Yes.
Vinay goes to office. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Because
Right.
Vinay is a
Singular.
Singular.
singular subject.
Singular
Goes
subject.
is a singular.
Singular verb.
Singular
Singular.
verb.
Oh,
Butterfly flies high. Right or wrong?
Flies right.
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 Right. Right.
This is singular.
This is singular.
Right, ma'am.
Singular.
And this is also singular.
Singular
Singular
verb.
Singular.
Oh,
My laptop malfunctions.
Singular
Functions.
verb.
Right verb.
Right? My laptop is a singular
Functions.
and
Singular.
malfunctions. S से end हो रहा है. So
Plural.
it is also singular.
singular.
Singular. अच्छा. Functions.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 क्या कहता है? If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural.
Yeah.
They are riding a bicycle. What is the subject?
They.
They.
They कौन सा subject है? What the subject?
Plural.
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 So the verb should be plural. So what is R? R is a plural.
Plural verb.
Verb.
So this is a right friendship. So sentence is right.
Right.
We are planning to visit Canada. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
We are
Right
planning
verb.
to
Right
right.
sentence.
We is a plural
We
and R is
plural.
also
R is
Plural verb.
Plural verb.
Rubina. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
Right, ma'am.
Right.
Right. Because you is plural subject. You के साथ you have to use a plural.
Plural verb.
Plural. Yeah, plural.
Bats fly only during the night. Nupur. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
Bats fly is right sentence. Bats plural subject and fly in the plural verb.
Fly is a plural verb. What is the singular verb of fly?
Flies.
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 So if the subject of a sentence is a singular noun, then we have to take the singular verb. So what is the subject? Visitor. Visitor के
Visitor.
साथ क्या
And
आएगा?
have is
Has.
also singular.
Has. Okay.
Yes.
Kate is always punctual. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
Kate is always
Right. Right.
right.
Right. Because Kate is a singular noun
Singular.
and singular noun
Only-
के साथ we have to use a singular verb.
Singular verb.
Now rule number 2, very important. If two singular nouns join with and, I repeat, if the two singular nouns join with and, the sentence demands a plural verb. For example, Kate and Simran. Now Kate is singular noun, Simran is singular noun. If two singular nouns join with and,
It change into plural.
Have gone to the home. Gone to home.
if two singular nouns join with and, so then the verb must be plural.
Plural.
अगर यहाँ पर खाली Kate होता है, if it is Kate, तो Kate के साथ क्या आता है यहाँ पर?
That should be has.
Has आता है, has. But यहाँ पर two singular nouns joined with joined with and, so that's why the plural verb will come. Like
Ma'am,
for example,
ma'am, has have used on I also. I have these.
हाँ, I के साथ have आएगा, I के साथ have आएगा, वो कुछ exceptional cases हैं. लेकिन अभी यहाँ पर I just want to try to say, if two singular nouns joined with and, so then you have to use the plural verb. ये तो perfect में है, आपने have ले लिया. अगर ये हमारा present में होता तो then you have to use are. अगर ये past में होता तो then you have to use were.
Verb.
Were.
Like for example, इसका जरा sentence इसका जरा English बनाओ. PDF and recording share की गई है. PDF and recording share कर दी गई है.
PDF and recording
has
were
been
shared.
shared.
Were shared.
Were shared.
Were shared.
Were shared.
Were sharing. Were shared.
Recorder
Not they had.
have been shared.
Oh,
Have been shared. Very good. Have
been.
been shared.
Have
Yes.
been shared.
Recording and PDF have been shared.
Been
Now
shared.
don't say the recording and PDF has been shared.
Yes.
दिस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज रिकॉर्डिंग अलग हो गया, पीडीएफ अलग हो गया, आपने उसको ज्वाइन कर दिया एंड के साथ।
Have been shared.
ठीक है,
Yes.
क्लियर। प्रिंटर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल कर दिए गए हैं।
Have been installed.
मेक द कंप्लीट सेंटेंस।
Sir, ma'am, repeat please.
Printer and
प्रिंटर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम में
software
अपलोड
have
कर दिए
been
गए हैं।
Printer and
software
software
have been
have been installed in the
सिस्टम
system.
System.
सिस्टम प्रिंटर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर हैव बीन इंस्टॉल्ड।
Installed in the
have been. I told I have been because two are plural.
हाँ, now joining by and these becomes the plural.
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 Yes, understand this point.
Now next.
Kate and similar.
A computer and a printer have been installed. A computer and the printer have been installed. This
Have
is
been
correct.
installed.
ठीक है, because and लग गया तो have आ गया। If two singular nouns join with and there is each and every before the nouns, अगर दो singular nouns and से join हो रहे हैं and उनसे पहले each and every are coming before the noun, so then we have to use the singular verb. Like for example, each officer and each manager is invited.
Okay.
Each manager and each officer is invited. अगर suppose करो there is no each, then
Rubina and Nupur have
then
like
And manager
MR
are invited.
are invited. Very
are,
nice. तो
like
क्या हो जाता?
uh,
Officer and manager are invited.
invited.
लेकिन
Rubina
if we
and
are
Nupur are
using
invited.
each, if we are using each or every before the noun, so then
Is
we have to
invited.
demand the singular verb.
Singular.
So each officer and each manager is invited.
Is invited.
Each player and each coach is responsible for the team success. Suppose there is no each, then
Names, ma'am.
if there is no each,
Player
names
and coach are responsible for the
हाँ, then हो जाता है player and coach are responsible. ठीक है, clear? अगर each आ रहा है तो you have to use a singular verb.
Is.
The duty of every boy and every girl is to respect their parents. Every teacher and every student has to follow the rules. Okay? Every teacher. If every is also coming, again we have to use the singular verb. Suppose every नहीं होता तो then होता teacher and student have to follow the rules.
have to follow the rules. Okay.
ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next rule. Next rule क्या कहता है? If any related pair of the singular nouns join with and to express something about the person, thing or expression, then the singular verb is used. अभी तक हमने क्या करा है guys? Bread and butter. Bread and butter is my favorite or are my favorite?
Is
Why? ये and से join हुआ है. अभी हमने क्या rule discuss करा था? If two singular nouns join with and, so we have to use the plural verb. So according to the rule, what should be the answer? Bread and butter are my favorite. Bread and butter are my favorite.
Acha.
ठीक है?
They are not a person. There is a things. So here only we use are.
No, 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 no. अभी हमने नुपुर क्या rule discuss करा था? If two singular nouns join with and, जैसे printer and software, वो भी तो things था.
Oh, हाँ.
ठीक है, लेकिन हम क्या यूज करते थे उसके साथ? Plural verb.
Plural verb.
Plural verb. But here is a difference. यहाँ पर difference क्या है? The difference is that if bread and butter अगर हम use कर रहे हैं, that is considered as a single entity. Bread and butter becomes a single entity. So that's why you have to use singular verb.
Okay.
Now the question is coming into your mind, how bread and butter becomes a single entity? Guys, see, do we eat in this way? Ki first I eat a bowl of butter and then I eat 2 or 3 slices of bread. No.
No.
We always spread the butter on the bread and we make one single entity and then we eat. So whenever we make one single entity, although it is joined with and, we have to use the singular. Okay, जैसे for example, rice and curry is my favorite or are my favorite?
Is.
Is. Why?
Is a single entity.
हाँ, ऐसा तो नहीं होता पहले मैं बाउल भर के पूरा करी का पी लेती हूँ फिर मैं बाउल भर के चावल खाती हूँ. No, we don't eat in this way. We always mix the rice and curry and we will make one entity. एक single उसको हम entity बना देते हैं. So that's why we have to use singular verb. So rice and curry is served hot. Rice and curry is my favorite. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Crown and glory is his dreams. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
Crown and glory in his will. Crown
Right,
and
ma'am.
glory is a single entity, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
It's a right sentence.
Crown and glory is a single entity.
Any more inputs?
So,
It's
crown
wrong.
and glory is not single entity.
हाँ, crown and glory is not a single entity. देखो crown का मतलब होता है ताज. ग्लोरी का मतलब होता है जो आपको एप्रिसिएशन जो वो मिलता है आपको. ठीक है.
Okay.
अब like for example, have you seen the movie बाहुबली?
Yes.
बाहुबली में क्राउन किसको मिला था?
Yes.
उसके भाई को. बाहुबली
भाई
का जो
को.
ब्रदर था उनको मिला था. लेकिन ग्लोरी किसको मिली थी?
बाहुबली को.
बाहुबली को. तो these are the different entity.
Okay.
Crown is different entity, glory is a different entity. And if these are the separate entities, so and joined by the and, so you cannot say is. Okay, I'm just coming, guys. Sorry, guys. Now it's okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so crown is different entity, glory is different entity. Teacher and student work together. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
Here is no verb.
No verb. In this sentence, there is no verb.
No. Supporting verb, teacher and student.
So
Work,
what? So what? It's not mandatory that each and every
Okay.
sentence there must be a supporting verb.
Okay. Teacher and student.
work,
Work
Right
together.
sentence?
Okay, right sentence.
Why?
Teacher and student is a plural form, and the work is also plural.
Teacher and student, separate entity, and they
Yes.
are used by and they are used by and. Okay, so that's why you have to use the plural form.
R,
Yes?
R is coming here.
No, why you guys are emphasizing on the supporting verb? Nahi hai supporting verb, but you have to check the main verb. Main verb must be the plural. Whatever the verb is coming, whether it is a supporting verb, whether it is a main verb, it should be in the plural form.
Plural.
Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ये practice है. Okay, that you can do. Okay. Now again we are going to do some more rules. Just a moment, guys. I'm not able to open that. Okay, now next rules. Next rules. Okay, Kavita, Aarti, Reshma, you guys are also getting, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. You as well as your brother was absent yesterday. The sentence is you as well as your brother. आप और आपका brother. आप और आपका brother कल absent थे. कल absent थे. आप और आपका brother कल absent थे. This is a sentence. Is it a right sentence or not? So in that case, this sentence is wrong.
Yes.
So what is the rule? What is the rule? Rule क्या कहता है? If two nouns or pronouns are joined with as well as. If two nouns or pronouns are joined with as well as, so then we have
They
to
convert
take the
into
verb
plural.
according to the first verb. According to the first verb. We have to take the verb according to the first verb. Now in this sentence, you as well as your brother. Rubina, what is the first subject?
You.
You is the
Singular.
first subject. You is the
Yes.
first subject. You. And what is the second subject in this sentence?
Your brother.
Your
Your brother.
brother. Your
Hmm.
brother. What is the
You
first
mean
subject? What is
the
the first
plural.
subject? You.
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 You is the singular subject or the plural subject?
Singular.
The plural subject.
Plural में consider होता है ना? You, we, they.
Oh,
You, we, they
Okay,
consider as a plural subject. Okay?
okay,
So
ma'am.
you के साथ क्या आएगा? Was आएगा या were आएगा?
Were.
Were आएगा.
Were.
Were. So, whenever the two nouns or pronouns are joined with as well as, we have to choose a verb according to the first subject. Please note down. We have to take care the verb according to the first subject.
You.
So, इसका rule I have written subject plus as well as plus noun or pronoun plus singular or plural verb according to the first subject.
मैम
Hmm.
एंड में भी तो ऐसे ही होगा ना, जैसे कि यू एंड आई आर.
You and I are. Huh. And is also, whenever the and are joined, the two single entity, always we have to take the plural verb. You as well as your brother were absent yesterday. Were absent yesterday. She together with her friends is visiting. Is this a right sentence or wrong sentence?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong. Why?
Is a singular and she is a plural.
She plural subject होता है.
Oh no. Sorry. She is singular. Okay.
हाँ.
She together with
together.
her friends. Yes, is a right. Right.
Okay, so let's check. If together with, if two nouns or pronouns are joined with together with, the rule is again same that we have to take care of the verb with the singular subject. अगर
We have
suppose
to
करो,
see the first subject.
you
First.
have to see only the first subject. Suppose
Yes.
sentence होता her friends together with her. Her friends together with her. Then question mark. Then क्या आता?
Her friends together with her. Her friends is a plural form.
आ रहा था.
तब आ
Friends
रहा
are
था.
plural.
तब आ रहा था. तब instead of is आपका क्या हो जाता? Are हो जाता.
Are. She is single.
He, in addition to his girlfriend, was asking the questions. Is it a right sentence or wrong sentence? It is absolutely right. The same rules. The same
Right.
rules. If in addition,
Right.
to is coming, so again we have to take care of the first subject.
Then
We have to take care of the first subject. We have to take care of the first subject. Subhash Karthik headed by KK Mandal were taking the session. Right sentence, wrong sentence. This is wrong sentence. Whenever you have to use the headed by. ठीक है, nowadays it is not frequently used, but if you see any headed by is coming, again you have to take care of the first verb. So what is the first subject in this sentence?
Singular.
Subhash
Subhash
Karthik.
Karthik.
It is a singular. So what is the correct sentence? What should be the correct sentence?
Are. Subhash Karthik, headed by KK Mandal, sir,
Was.
are taking classes.
Are is a singular subject.
Was
No, no,
taking.
talking. Was talking.
Was talking.
Was taking
Ah,
classes.
sorry, was taking. Okay, don't get confused. You just keep the mind, अगर tense past में है तो you have to use a past tense, but make sure that the verb should be in the singular form. You cannot change the verb कि वर है तो उसकी जगह आर लगा दिया, present कर दिया. No.
First, you have to see the first subject of
Subject,
the
first
sentence.
subject देखना है. Whatever
After
the
that,
rules
we
are
have
there.
to change
हाँ,
all this.
verbs. Subhash Karthik along with the KK sir. Right sentence, wrong sentence. This is a right sentence. Again, the
Right.
rule is same. Along with
Right.
this coming. So then again, you have to check the first subject.
Okay.
Sal and me went to the store. This sentence is
Sal and me went to the store. Oh.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
why it is
when it
wrong?
is past, no, ma'am. When the past, then in all the condition it will be same.
then Kavita read this
If
sentence.
if we use plural, then we have to
Sal
use
and-
went
Oh,
only.
sorry.
Went only.
Sorry, I, ma'am. I will be.
We are not talking about the tense यहाँ पर, ठीक है? अभी
Okay.
right now we are going to focus. देखो हम ज्यादातर हम बोलते हैं sell and me, sell and me. Sell और
Yes.
मैं store पर गए. तो mostly most of the time we speak sell and me went to the store.
Yes.
But
Yes.
me जो है that is wrong. Because यहाँ पर जो ये pronoun है that is used as a subject pronoun. और सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन हमेशा आई होता है ना कि मी होता है. सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, आर यू गाइस गेटिंग? सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन मीन्स द प्रोनाउंस व्हिच यू कैन यूज इन द प्लेस ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. तो ऑलवेज से सेल एंड आई, माय हस्बैंड एंड आई वेंट टू द स्टोर. डोंट से माय हस्बैंड एंड मी वेंट टू द स्टोर.
Okay.
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी डू दिस मिस्टेक. ओके, मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड शॉपिंग पे गए थे. बनाओ.
Ma'am, repeat please.
मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड कल शॉपिंग पर गए.
मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड कल शॉपिंग पे गए थे.
My friend and I.
My friend and I went
Here
to the
means me.
shopping yesterday.
My friend and I. My friends and I. My
My
friends
friend-
and I. Don't say my friends and me.
No, my friends and
Okay? And always say use I before that the first subject. I and my friends, no. My friends and I. My friends and I.
Okay.
okay.
Again the rule accompanied by. So again we have to take care the first. Sal
First,
accompanied by her father goes to the school every day. Why goes? Because again we have to check the first subject. First subject is Sal.
Yes.
Sal is a singular subject. So that's why we
So
have
this
to
is
use
right.
the singular verb that is called goes.
So it is right.
It is right.
Hmm.
I as a subject pronoun. देखो I have written. I को हम दो तरीके से यूज करते हैं. एक as a subject pronoun और एक as an object pronoun. If you are using as a subject pronoun, तो how I can say my friend and I are going to the movie. Always you have to use. अगर suppose करो आपको क्या लगाना है. अब I के साथ तो क्या लगता है? What is the verb is coming along with I?
Am.
Me.
Am. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? Mostly हम बोल देंगे my friend and I am going to the movie. No,
Yes.
but my friend and I become the two plural subjects.
Good.
two plural subjects. So that's why if you are using in the
You use
present
are.
tense, so use
Ma'am, can I use my friend and I? We are going to the movie.
we are.
My friend and I, both we are going to the movie.
But why you are using both we are going? Why you are making the unnecessary na both we? क्यों लगा रहे हो ये दो words? My
My
friend and
friend and
I
I
are
go
going to the movie. मतलब
are
तो
going
सेम है
to.
ना नुपुर?
हाँ.
मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड दोनों मूवी के लिए जा रहे हैं. So my friend and I are going to the movie. What I'm trying to explain you, don't use am.
Okay.
My friend and I am going to the movie. This is wrong.
This is wrong.
My friend and I are going to.
Are going to the movie. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Rubina getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, अगर सपोज करो आपको
Sorry.
मी यूज करना है, आप कहते हो कि मैम अगर मेरे को मी यूज करना है, तो मी हमेशा यूज होता है एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन की तरह. और ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन आई का ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन क्या हो जाता है? मी. तो जैसे
Me.
उन्होंने
They
मुझे
invited.
और रवि को पार्टी में इनवाइट करा. उन्होंने मुझे और रवि को पार्टी में इनवाइट करा.
They
तो what is,
invited Ravi and me to the party.
हाँ,
आपने
so
क्या
what
चुन
is
लिया?
the subject? What is the subject in this sentence?
They.
They is a subject. They is a subject. Okay.
Beautiful.
And what are the objects? Object pronoun?
Party. Me.
Ravi and me.
Ravi and me. Ravi
Ravi
and
and
me
me.
are becomes the नहीं प्रोनाउन सिर्फ हमारा हुआ मी. तो मुझे अब यहाँ पर कहने का मतलब है यू कैन नॉट से दे इनवाइटेड रवि एंड आई टू द पार्टी. दिस इज रॉन्ग. दे
Oh,
इनवाइटेड रवि एंड आई. अब मुझे
me.
इंग्लिश हमेशा दिमाग में आता है आई. बट
Hmm.
अगर उसको आप एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज कर रहे हो तो यू हैव टू से मी.
So,
Let's see.
so that we have to use I after the first party. But you have to use as they. Then we
No. You
write
have to use
I
I if you want to
and
use
me.
I. So then you have to use I in
Yes.
the subject part. And if you want to
Yes.
use I in the object part, so then you have to use me. Like for example, which one is right? The teacher praised Ria and I. Right sentence, wrong sentence?
The teacher praised Ria and me.
हाँ,
Me, yes.
Ria and me. Because अब यहाँ पर subject क्या है? Subject बन गया teacher.
Teacher, yes.
टीचर. तो आई किसके अंदर आ गया? ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह आ गया. तो ऑब्जेक्ट में यू कैन नॉट से आई. तो ऑलवेज यू हैव टू यूज मी.
Me.
सो द टीचर प्रेज रिया एंड मी. सेकेंड सेंटेंस. राइट रॉन्ग?
Wrong.
And me went to the
He and me
seminar.
went to the seminar.
Right sentence.
This is right.
Wrong sentence.
And I, he and I.
संगीता.
No, we
He
and
and me.
He and
Went to
I
the
went
seminar.
to the seminar.
He and I, ma'am.
ही एंड आई. ये सब्जेक्ट है. मैं और वह, मैं और वो सेमिनार पर गए थे. सो मैं क्या हो गया? एक सब्जेक्ट हो गया. अगर सब्जेक्ट है तो आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू यू हैव टू यूज आई. So he and I went to the seminar. Next, between you and I, this plan won't work.
You and me.
Between
This is correct, ma'am.
this is correct.
Yes.
You and I.
Yes.
You and me. I think you and me
Ma'am, you and me.
may be right.
Kavita,
You and me, ma'am. Between you and me, this
between
plan
जब भी
won't work.
आएगा, you have to use you and me. You and me.
Ma'am, explain again why we are using here and me.
Because the word between is coming. Between is coming.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whenever you are using the between, so then you have to use me. Rule number 6. Although we have given so many rules, not only when you are using not only. अब इस सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या है? Not only Emily, but also her mother teaches music. ना केवल Emily is a name of a person. ना केवल Emily, बट उसकी मदर भी म्यूजिक सिखाती है. Not only, not only. Okay, so whenever you are using not only, not only, so then you have again now, if the two subjects are joined by not only but also, the verb always follows the nearest subject. अब
So
देखो, इसमें they are the
mainly
two
use the
verbs.
singular and present.
There are the two verbs in this sentence. The first word, there are the two subject in this sentence. The first subject is Emily and the second subject is her mother. Her
Mother.
mother. And what is the verb in this sentence?
Not only Emily, but also her mother teaches music. Teaches.
Teaches is a verb.
Teaches.
Teaches is a verb. Teaches is a verb. So teaches आएगा या teach आएगा. That you have to check what is the nearest subject with this word. So क्या है? What is the nearest subject? Sunanda, what is the nearest subject with teach?
Emily.
Emily nearest है या her mother nearest है? Nearest का मतलब पास. पास कौन सा है?
And her mother.
Mother.
Her
Her
mother is
mother.
nearest.
Her mother पास है teaches के. Her mother is nearest. तो her mother क्या है? Her mother singular subject है या plural subject है?
Singular.
Singular. तो verb भी कैसा आएगा हमारा?
Teaches.
Singular.
Singular.
अगर suppose करो sentence
But
होता.
there are two members, Emily and her
नहीं, we are not
mother.
talking about the two members. We are just saying the verb always follows the nearest subject.
Okay.
Suppose करो sentence होता not only Emily, but also her friends.
Her mother. That
Plural subject.
So then what should be coming?
plural.
अरे plural में क्या आएगा?
R.
No.
ARER.
No.
Teach.
Teach.
Huh?
Teach me.
Teach. Only teach will come.
Only teach. Okay.
Only teach. अभी teaches क्या है? Teaches become the singular subject. But rule क्या कहता है? Rule कहता है कि जैसा आपका subject है वैसा ही आपको verb choose करना है. अगर subject singular है तो verb should be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should
They are
be plural.
plural, so have to write teach.
Only teach. Only teach. Not
Yes.
only they have proven their talents, but also inspired everyone with her dedication. ये तो past में है तो past में कोई दिक्कत नहीं था आपको. Main
Okay.
दिक्कत आता है जब हमारा present चलता है.
Okay.
Neither you nor I are going to see him. Neither you nor I. ना तो आप ना ही मैं. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? ना तो आप ना ही मैं उसको देखने जा रहे हैं. So this is wrong. Why? Again, if the two subjects are joined by neither nor, so the verb always follows its nearest subject. Nearest subject क्या है यहाँ पर? Verb. What is the verb in this sentence?
Verb going.
Going.
R. ठीक है, अगर supporting verb है तो supporting verb के ऊपर emphasize करो. R. What is the nearest subject? R के सबसे ज्यादा nearest subject कौन सा है? I के साथ क्या आता है present tense में? Am. तो correct sentence क्या होगा?
I am.
पूरा
I
बोलो.
am going to see him.
You nor I am going to see him.
हाँ, neither you nor I am going to see him. Neither success nor recognition came by chance. कौन सा tense है ये? Past tense है. तो और इसमें एक ही single verb आ रहा है तो that you can use. अगर suppose करो यहाँ पर were होता तो it is a right sentence or wrong sentence? Were coming.
आता है.
Neither success nor recognition was coming.
Was.
Was
coming.
coming. Was going.
Neither success nor recognition came by chance. It was earned by effort and excellence.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर तो पास्ट टेंस है तो डेट इट इज ओके. बट यहाँ पर अगर सपोज करो रिकॉग्निशन क्या है? रिकॉग्निशन इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, तो वर्ब शुड बी द सिंगुलर.
I was going. Neither you nor I.
हाँ, आई वॉज. अगर पास्ट में ले रहे हो तो वॉज कर देते हो उसको.
I was. Okay.
ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to, yes.
Neither you nor she is listening to music. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
You.
Right.
Not
But this is right.
Why?
right, ma'am.
He is
Why?
listening.
Is
You are,
singular and she is
sorry,
also
sorry.
singular.
Neither you nor she is the singular.
You.
He is singular. He is a singular. Is it right?
Right. She is singular.
She is singular, so that's why you have to use is. Either you or me know the truth. या तो आप या तो मैं इस सच को जानते हैं. Either you or me.
Me.
Right sentence, wrong sentence.
You either you
Right,
or
right.
or
Right.
Or I know the truth.
Either
I
you
know the
or
truth.
I know the truth. ठीक है क्योंकि
There
again
is something tricky. We have to
क्योंकि देखो see
do
again it becomes a
more.
subject, again it becomes a subject, as I already told you. अगर subject में अगर मैं आता है तो you have to use I, और I
I.
क्या है हमारे साथ, उसके साथ knows नहीं आता. I के साथ हमेशा हमारा present form one आता है
Yes. Without S. Sorry,
without
yes.
S. Not she but her friends are responsible. Right sentence, wrong sentence. Not
Not.
but.
Not.
If the subjects are joined with not but, not but. So again the verb follows that the last subject after the but, after but. देखो क्या लिखा है, रूल पढ़ो. If the subjects are joined with not and but or only not, then the verb follows that last subject after verb, after but. But के बाद कौन सा subject आ रहा है?
Her.
Her.
Her
Who is the
friend.
subject?
This,
Her friends.
it
Her
is
friends.
plural friend.
It's
This
a
is
Her
plural.
friend.
It's a plural.
Plural.
So the verb
Plural.
should be the plural.
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 ना केवल वह, इसका हिंदी में क्या मतलब है? ना केवल वह बट उसके फ्रेंड्स भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं.
Okay.
शी नॉट हर फ्रेंड्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. ओके, सो आपका जो सब्जेक्ट आ रहा है, देन यू दिस इज रॉन्ग. शी, इसको थोड़ा सा छोड़ते हैं, ये थोड़ा सा ना ट्रिकी है. मैं इस पे चलो वो लास्ट वाला छोड़ दो, वो थोड़ा सा ट्रिक है. चलो अब नाउ रेडी फॉर द क्विज. सारे रूल्स
Okay.
क्लियर है? रूल्स आर
Yes.
क्लियर?
Yes.
चलो, राइट सेंटेंस, रॉन्ग सेंटेंस.
He as well as you
One by
were.
one we will do. Yes, Manvinder ji.
He as well as you was.
Right or wrong?
Wrong sentence.
Wrong sentence. Why, Nupur, it is wrong?
Where? Yeah, where is wrong? As well he,
You
as
have
well
to
as
use you was.
you are present yesterday.
He as well
You
as
was
you.
present.
He as well as you
Was present yesterday.
was present.
Kabita, what is the mistake in this sentence?
You, he as well as you were present yesterday. Yes, ma'am. Correct. I don't think.
Yes.
Whenever the as well as is joined, so we always take care of the first subject.
First subject.
First
He.
subject. So first subject क्या है यहाँ पर? He.
He.
तो he
We
के
have to
साथ क्या
use
आता है?
was.
Was आता है, were आता है.
Was.
So the correct sentence is he as well as you
Was.
was
Was
present
present.
yesterday.
I was right.
Yes, absolutely right, Manvinder ji. You told very right. Yes. Nupur.
Not only Emily, but also her mother teach music. Not only, but also her mother teaches music.
Yes.
Teaches music. ठीक है, क्योंकि but के बाद we have to take care of the subject which is nearest to the verb. Her mother is a
Yes.
singular subject, so verb should be the singular. Teaches.
It is wrong.
Pina.
Yes, ma'am.
She, in addition to her best friend, were asking questions. Right sentence, wrong sentence?
Wrong.
Let her
Wrong,
speak.
ma'am.
Let her speak. Yes, Rubina, wrong. So what should be the correct sentence?
Her friend was asking questions.
She, in addition to her best friend, was asking questions. Very good. Because again, in addition to is coming, so we have to take care of the first subject.
First subject.
Yes.
Neither you nor he is going to market.
Make it.
Nanda,
Neither
To
you
make it.
nor I.
It should be market, not make it. But it shows the make it.
नहीं, neither you nor he is going to make it. Make it का मतलब होता है करने जा रहा है.
Okay.
Right or wrong?
Right,
This
ma'am.
is right,
Right
right answer.
sentence. Right
Right
sentence.
Yes, this is right sentence, ma'am.
This is right sentence. Why?
After nor, he is the nearest subject of
Nearest
verb.
subject. Then you have to check the nearest subject with the verb. So he is the nearest subject with the verb. So you have to use is.
Okay.
Raj, headed by his dad, was selling. Right, wrong?
Right.
His
This
dad
Yes,
was
this is
selling
right.
cars.
This is right. Because headed,
Right.
again, headed
Right.
by say you have to
Correct,
check the
correct.
first subject. First
Yes.
subject is Raj. So it is right. Yes, Kavita, right sentence, wrong sentence.
Right, ma'am.
It is right.
It is
Right,
right sentence. Because again, together with this coming
That
again,
is-
we have to check the first subject. She is
Yes.
the first subject. So is this coming.
Yes,
Sangeeta,
yes.
right sentence, wrong sentence.
It's a right sentence, ma'am.
It's a wrong sentence, ठीक है? So इसका correct sentence होता है he not his relatives is invited. We have to take care of the first subject. First subject. ठीक है? But अब
Why?
frequently we are not using these types of sentences.
Okay.
ठीक है? Sheila along with her husband are going. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
He is going to market.
Is
Going
going
to
to
market.
market. Very good. Again, along with लग गया है तो again we have to take care of the first subject.
Yes.
Neither you nor I is listening. Right sentence, wrong sentence.
No, wrong.
Wrong sentence. What should be the correct sentence?
I am.
Neither you
I
nor
am.
me.
Neither you nor
Yeah,
I
I
am
am
listening.
I am
listening to music.
Am listening
Yes.
to the. Okay, clear this thing?